Alright people, I've seen these things on YouTube, unboxing videos, so I'm going to make one myself with my new camcorder. 2 seconds. It's a Panasonic Sdr H81 70X Ultra Zoom and Advanced OIS. I'm not a fucking tech geek or nothing, but sounds alright to me. So let's get the bastard opened. So the first thing that's in packet is the disc. I think this is the upload shit. Video cam suite. So 2 seconds to it. Operating instructions that I probably won't fucking read. Notes the wires and shit. Charger. Plug for the charger. USB cable. More cables. Battery. I'll probably need to get another one of them. Just to have a wee spare one. Now we're into the good shit. The camcorder. So let's get the fucker out the bag. Well, let's see this shit in a minute. It's actually quite wee, it's nice. New one. There we go, we're going to take this wee bit off. So, there you go, it tells you there it's got a YouTube function on it. 70x zoom. It's got 60 gigs built into it as well. That's 54 hours recording, long play mode. Right, you've also got web mode. That's face identification thing. It's got that thing on it as well. You've got Dolby sound recording things. We've got a light OIS, manual AFMS, and the recycling bin. And you've got the tap off there's got your zoom in, zoom out buttons. It's not like a touchscreen or fuck all, but it's practically fucking easy as, you know what I mean? It's got the wee button at the side, your enter and menu buttons at the side, and it's easy enough. As well as having the 60 gig in it, you can also add SD cards, and that will give you more memory. Right, so I've just put the battery in, just to see what it's like. I don't think there's much battery life in it, it's just at the box, so it's being a wee test. I'm going to have a wee swatch. Well, the picture looks clear enough on it. You can see the wee menu buttons just at the side. So if you're on down, just go in and you click onto the different menus and things like that. So it's easy enough to do, you know what I mean? You've got your record buttons at the side there, so you just put that in there. As I say, I'm going to go and get another battery, so I've always got a spare one. I mean, for when it's getting used and things. You know, it's like you always run out of fucking batteries, don't you? So that's it, people. No more pishy built-in webcam that I'm using on the computer. But using this wee bad boy for now on. So yeah, and I'll re-swatch it before it goes. That's the wee start bit there. That's wee record buttons at the back. And there's a wee display thing there. That's it for the front. So people, I'll be able to take the filming outside in the streets, might make some more videos doing different things instead of sitting here moaning all the time. I usually do. So bye bye built-in pishy web camera. It's time for an upgrade. Peace out viewers. Bye bye.